everyone, I'm Michelle Woerner for Stamp Simply Clear Stamps, and I'm here to share a quick tip on how I made these watercolor splashes on my Java mug. The die set I used is called Java Dies, and for my project I used the largest mug die. Now normally when I make a watercolor background that I'm going to be die cutting, I use a large brush, maybe a 12 round or a flat, and I come in and get the entire panel wet, and then I start to drop in my color. But that didn't work for what I had in mind because I wanted the four colors to be splashed across my mug, smaller in scale, so it would leave most of my mug white. So what I ended up doing is tracing the outline of the die, and I'm tracing it on the outside, so when I actually go to die cut this, I'm not die cutting in any pencil marks. And I know I want my Java sentiment to be right about here, so I'm just going to come in with a couple arrows so I know where to concentrate my color. All right, so now I'm going to come in with a smaller brush. This is a 6 round, and I'm just going to come in with some clean water, and I'm going to just make some little channels for my first color to sort of, I'm going to drop in my yellow. I'm going to make these, there we go. Okay, come back in with some clean water. And here's going to be my second color, and I'm going to come in with the green. And what I love about watercoloring is you can make some adjustments along the way. So for instance, if I see a big pool of water, or say my green is spreading more than I want it to, I can just take a quick paper towel. Well, that corner's already used, but just come in and sort of clean that up and see how well that just really picked right up. Okay, now I'm going to come in with my third color, which, okay, this is a classic example of cleanup. I'm going to come in and just pick up that entire drop. Now you can see a faint outline of it, but that's okay because that is going to get covered up here pretty quickly when I add some more water and come in with my fourth color, which is the red. Meanwhile, I want to get a little bit more blue. All right, so coming in with some more water for the final color. And let's just drop some red in like this. Now you can kind of, if you want, before you let it dry, you can do a lot of corrections. So you can come in with your Java and see where you want, like maybe I want a little bit yellow to kind of come down here in the corner. And I keep switching my brushes on me, but let's come in here with just a little bit more yellow. Add a little bit more of that yellow because that green is starting to spread. Okay, and of course you set that aside to dry, and here's a dry one. And what I would do next is come in with my Java, see where I want to make any changes, and just go ahead and make your adjustments, and then you are good to go. So that's my tip for smaller watercolor splashes. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep it simple and make it pretty. Bye.